I picked the welding program because it seemed really fun. I came here on a tour in 8th grade, and I got to see the shop and see all the machines and how they work and stuff, and it just seemed really interesting. And it was very hands-on, and it seemed like something I wanted to do.
Everyone in the class kind of comes together, and we all learn together, so we're all like at the same part. You can always ask questions and stuff. When you're struggling with the equipment, someone normally knows how to do it. Someone will help you fix it. You learn so much off and on, welding or not.
For the newcomers, I'd probably like to tell them that this is honestly an amazing class to take. You get a lot of certifications. You get a flux core, you get a stick, a MIG, and a safety certification. You get a CPR certification as well, and you get OSHA 10. You get to know a lot of the instructors, and you get to know a lot of people here. You get to know how to properly operate all the machines here. It's a good career field.
I think everyone that's coming into the program should know that it's not going to be a cakewalk right away, but there's plenty of people here that want to help you out and that will help you out. And once you get the hang of it, it'll all just start taking off from there.
I think you guys should definitely come check out this program. It's a really good program. You get to know a lot of stuff, and if you are into the trades, you should definitely come see this because there's so much stuff you can learn.